Welcome to all of you. In continuation of our parts, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Here in previous lecture we have been studied the part of the nitration, sulfonation, halogenation reactions. It is the fourth one reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. As we discussed, this is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. Along with mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reactions, the Friedel-Crafts reactions having the two types. That is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylations. What is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation? First we are discussing what acylation reaction, that is what Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Alkylation को यहाँ पे हम पहले डिस्कस करते हैं. काय असतं Friedel-Crafts alkylation रिॲक्शन? जसं की आपल्याकडं रिॲक्शनमध्ये रिॲक्टंट आपण घेतोय बेन्झीन मॉलिक्यूल. बेन्झीन मॉलिक्यूल ज्यावेळेस आपण ट्रीट करतोय क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल सोबत, सॉरी अल्किल हलाइड सोबत. So that is what alkyl halide in presence of the most important, that is the Lewis acid. So that corresponding Lewis acid is used, that is the AlX3. The corresponding Lewis acid हमें यहाँ पे यूज करना है. So whatever this benzene as a starting reactant molecule, benzene as a starting reactant molecule, the reaction is that benzene is react with alkyl halide. Benzene is react with what? Alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid. In presence of Lewis acid, the information of what this is R. A substituted benzene, and this was HX hydrogen halide and AlX3 Lewis acid remained. So this Lewis acid remained. This is the catalyst. This is called as the Lewis acid catalyst. This is known as Lewis acid catalyst. So what happened here? The benzene molecule is treated with alkyl halide in presence of the Lewis acid, formation of the monosubstituted. This formation of a monosubstituted benzene is there. So here in this way we can take this is the alkyl halide. Instead of alkyl halide is used what? CH3Cl or CH3Br. So यहाँ पे हम यूज कर सकते हैं this alkyl halide. So this is what CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3. Whenever we use this is the methyl chloride, we use this is the Lewis acid AlCl3. Whenever we use this is the methyl bromide use here the AlBr3. That AlBr3 or FeBr3, this is called as the Lewis acid. It is what FeBr3. Ferric bromide is there, aluminum tribromide and ferric tribromide. These types of the Lewis acid is used, that is the corresponding Lewis acid. So what happened? If you are in the starting reactant molecules, that is the starting reactant molecule is the benzene molecule is treated with methyl chloride. यहाँ पे बेंजीन मॉलिक्यूल का रिएक्शन हम मेथिल क्लोराइड के साथ करते हैं. जैसे कि बेंजीन मॉलिक्यूल ये स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टेंट है, CH3Cl हमने यहाँ पे मेथिल क्लोराइड लिया, AlCl3 लेविस एसिड हमें यहाँ पे लेना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द इट इज अ करस्पॉन्डिंग लेविस एसिड. Whenever we use this, the benzene molecule is treated with the corresponding Lewis acid AlCl3 with what? Methyl chloride. So what happened? There is formation of the types of the product is what? This formation of what? Methyl benzene. Such types of the molecule it is called as the toluene. So this is called as the toluene as a molecules. Then what? HCl hydrogen chloride and AlCl3 what? Remain 8. This AlCl3 is a remain 8. So what happened? This starting reactant molecule is the benzene. This benzene molecule is treated with our methyl chloride. यहाँ पे benzene molecule का reaction methyl chloride के साथ करना है. So in presence of Lewis acid, corresponding Lewis acid हमें यहाँ पे use करना है. So that is what? AlCl3. Then formation of the toluene, that is called as the alkyl benzene. So that alkyl benzene, that's why we call this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So side product is the hydrogen chloride and AlCl3 Lewis acid remained. This Lewis acid is act as a catalyst. So we know that is the catalyst which increase the rate of reaction, the decrease the rate of reaction is known as what? Is known as catalyst. So what happened here? A starting reactant molecule. First the part of the mechanism. What is the part of the mechanism of such types of the reaction? So here we are writing this is the mechanism path. The first step is what? Methyl chloride. This methyl chloride, it is the chlorine molecule which having this is the lone pair of electron, having tendency what? Having tendency this AlCl3, it is a electrophilic in nature. AlCl3 is electrophilic in nature. So what happened? AlCl3, this chlorine, chlorine and chlorine, these are the three chlorine atoms which is react with the CH3Cl. So what happened? This chlorine it acts as this is the Lewis acid because the Al it is electrophilic in nature, electron deficient. So it is incomplete octet rules. It obeys the incomplete octet rule and this bond is break by heterolytically. This bond is break by heterolytically cleavage OH I am writing this is the HAT, then formation of CH3 positive charge, this is the methyl carbocation and this is what AlCl4 negative, this is called as what AlCl4 negative. This act as a nucleophilic in nature and this act as a electrophilic in nature. So what happened here, most important reaction is the alkylation is there. So second step is what, in the first step what happened, formation of the generation of the cation. This is the primary carbocation is formation of the methyl cation, and this is the generation of the electrophile. In the second step, as we know that these benzene molecules which are having the pi electrons, this is attack on these types of the species. So here the electrophilic addition reaction, I am writing on the arrow, electrophilic addition reaction is takes place, and then what about this formation of what, this is the formation of the sigma complex, this CH3 atoms or group of atoms which carry the positive charge. This is called as the sigma complex or aranium ion. As you can say, this is called as the sigma complex, and what, as you know, this aranium ion, इसको हम aranium ion कहते हैं. So this treated with what, again we can take, this is the bond, pi bond is shifted to here, and this is what we can take, this is the another in continuation of the step. Whatever in the third step of the reaction, we are having the sigma complex or aranium ion. In third step of the reaction, we are having the sigma complex or aranium ion. If it is reacted with what, AlCl4. So this AlCl4 in the first step we have been generated. This is as a nucleophile. This is the hydrogen atoms having tendency to take the proton, and then loss of this proton. This what happened? This formation of what? Final product. This is the methyl benzene and what, HCl hydrogen chloride, and what, AlCl3 is a remained. So this is the formation of the toluene. So such types of the reaction is called as what, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Why we call this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction? Because of the methylation is carried out at an aromatic nucleus. So here how the types of the question is asked in an exam. So this is what, if you have the reactor predict the product, the question will be asked the predict the product. So this is on the basis of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, predict the product, यहाँ पे predict the product करना है, predict the product of given reaction. Along with what a mechanism, along with आपको mechanism भी पूछा जा सकता है. तो कुछ reaction यहाँ पे हम explain करते हैं कि reaction से product find out करना है. So by using what the reaction condition as well as reagent and the substrate. So the first reaction, if we are having this is the benzene molecule, it is reacted with what, isopropyl chloride. The second reaction we may take, this is what, again very important types of the reaction, you can take isopropyl chloride and this is the N-propyl chloride. So again the third one types of the reactions, Friedel-Crafts alkylations, that is what we can take this what, CH3, that is another types of the reactant molecules, CHCl, and this is the AlCl3. In presence of AlCl3, predict the product. यहाँ पे हमें product निकालना है. So both reactions having the same product, both first and second reactions having the same product, and such types of the reaction is compulsory asked in your exam. It may be MSc postgraduate exam as well as NET exams, that is what NET, as well as what SET as well as GATE. So these types of the computer exams. Predict the product with mechanisms. What is the product? It is called as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Again we are having these types of the molecules. Again this is the vicinal, as you can say this is vicinal dihalides, and AlCl3, what is the product, very important. So again we are providing these types of the reactant molecules. This is what, these types of the species, Cl atoms, or instead of Cl we can take Br, and this is the Br, and in presence of what, AlBr3. So find out the product, यहाँ पे आपको product find करना है. So in continuation of the lecture we are discussing the part of what, Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions.